So this is my whole gang so far. Sailor Moon, who is in the middle left, is actually my oldest doll. You could definitely tell because she's the smallest and she also has the bobbling head and my skill level. I made her several years ago. I don't recall exactly when. Sailor Mars would be my next doll that I made after Sailor Moon Usagi, who's falling on the floor. She's trying to go to sleep. We don't know why she's doing that, but she is. And she has gone through one touch-up. I did redo her face about a year later or so, and there will be pictures here that can show that. Sailor Mercury I made a little bit after, and yeah, she has a serious proportion problem. I was gonna redo her head, but I decided to keep her as is just to show the progression of how my dolls is. But I do see that I just saw just now she does have a thumb, which I haven't really added to any of them. And then of course Sailor Jupiter is my latest one. Now something that I've done differently with Sailor Jupiter that I didn't do with any of my other dolls is Mars decided to leave. Run away. So with the other dolls, I would actually crochet their clothes onto their bodies. So, oh, I didn't close that. That's not good. I do need to get to that. I have a tendency to do that too. Like with Sailor Moon, didn't close her. I don't know why I do that. But yeah, the gloves are actually part of their bodies. The dress itself is also part of their bodies. And it's the same with Sailor Moon's. And it's the same with Sailor Mercury. But with Jupiter, all of these things are detachable. The dress may not be because I may have stitched some of the accessories onto the body, but it is generally speaking still a separate part. And I'm sorry for exposing your secret, Sailor Jupiter. And the gloves, of course, are detachable. So that is detachable. The only thing, because Sailor Mercury is actually missing a tiara, so I should update and add that. That's probably about all I'll do for her though, because I want to kind of keep it skill level based. And hers is also permanent and permanent. And of course, like I said, the shoes are detachable too, but I don't intend to really change her clothes or anything like that. So yeah, that's about it. I did make a mistake here, and I accidentally made the white part of her clothes, her dress, too long. So it was actually up to here. So what I did was I painted over that to get that skin appearance, but I had already made the color at that time. So now we just have this weird area where there's a little bit of paint. That's not good. And of course, I paid attention to detail. She has her barrettes and everything. So yes, that would be my whole gang so far. And I will actually be, I'm starting the Sailor Venus doll as we speak. And just say goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye. Sailor Jupiter is also like the giant, which is funny because she was kind of taller than the other girls in the series as well.